Hey everyone, welcome to episode 1 of our Python from Scratch journey. We live in a world where everything is getting smarter our phones, our cars, even our fridges. But have you ever wondered who teaches them to be smart? The answer is Python, the language that quietly changing the world. What exactly is Python? Python is a high level beginner friendly programming language created by Godot van Rossum back in 1991, the same year the first website ever went live. It's loved because it reads like English, no weird symbols, no scary brackets. You just tell Python what to do and boom, it does it. You will find Python literally everywhere, like in AI and machine learning. Think of ChatGPT, then web development, Instagram, YouTube's, data analytics, Netflix recommendations, automation, automating your boring daily tasks. Think of Python like a universal remote control. One remote you can control TV, AC, lights. One language you can build app, analyze data and even control robots. That's the power you are about to learn. So let's quickly understand Python using a simple code. As always, let's start with a simple hello world program in Python language. Tada! That's your first Python program. The printf function tells your computer to display text on the screen. And this little hash symbol, it's a comment. Python ignores it, but humans love it. Comments are like sticky notes for your future self. You'll thank yourself later. Okay, super important rule. Python is a neat free. It uses indentation, that is, spaces at the start of the lines to organize the code. If your indentation is messy, Python throws a tantrum, that is, indentation error. So let's understand what is this indentation through a code. Okay, let's code it with indentation. I am writing the comment. Using the if statement, here you can observe it left 4 spaces and we are starting the print statement from here. Now if you run, the code will be perfectly done and you get the output. For example, if you ignore this indentation and if you run the code, you got an indentation error saying expected an indent block after if statement on line 2. So indentation is very much important in Python. The golden rules for indentation is use 4 spaces per indent, stay consistent in your file. Think of indentation as Python's way of saying I like clean code. So let's recap what we have learned so far. You met Python, the brain behind modern tech, wrote your first program, learned comments and indentation. So welcome to the Python squad. Alright genius, it's your quiz time. What's the output for the following program given? If you got that right, drop a snake in the comments. Next up, variables and data types, the part where Python starts remembering things for you. See you in episode 2. Keep coding, keep smiling, and stay curious. Bye bye.